Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. 300C in the building. Tonight, we're going to be adding some LED reverse taillights. I want these to be bright white. These gotta go. You gotta go right there, buddy. You're yellow, we want white. So I'm gonna show you guys how simple this is. I'll have some extra work because I got a subwoofer in here, as you guys can see. Kicker. Bing. I think you can read that. Yeah, you can't read it. But yeah, it says kicker. Stock subwoofer on the SRT8. We're gonna work on this side. So first thing we're gonna do, take this one out. You gotta screw that to the left so we can fold this over and get access to the back of the taillights. All right, so I removed the black clip, screwed that off. I can pull the liner back, and I got two more clips I gotta get. That one, and there's one on this back side here, right there. Gotta twist those to the left, pull those off, and then I'll be able to pop the taillight out. All right, tail light is out. I pulled it out a little bit so I can show you guys. I don't need to disconnect anything else. Keep the power source onto it. Don't worry about that. So we're actually gonna be changing this bulb right there, that red one. So all you do is get a little screwdriver, pull that clip up so you'll be able to twist and pull, and then we can swap out the bulb. There is the bulb. Oh, thick bitty. Oh, she thick. All right, let's pull this out. Swap in the LED bulb. There is my LED bulb. Don't touch the microchips on there. And we're just gonna plug it in. Boop, just like that. Oh, knocked it in. We'll plug it in. Get back to you. All right, we tested the bulb and it's bright. Woo! So everything works good. Now I'm gonna plug it back in the socket. This is the stock halogen one. Can't really tell. Well, I guess you can a little bit, but you can see how bright that's gonna be compared to this. Much better, cleaner look. All right, the socket is back in with the LED bulb. You can see it right there. Now all I gotta do is push everything back, screw in my 3 clips, put the liner back in, and I'm done. All right, yo, let's get the finished product. Get in the car. Do a little trick. Got the e-brake already on. Step on the brake. Let's put this car in reverse. Now the car ain't gonna spin backwards. And we can go look at these reverse tail lights. Ooh. Bright and white. It's hard to tell on this camera though, but it looks really good. Nice bright white light. Ooh, I think it'll look nice once I get this tinted too. I gotta tint the tail lights. But yeah, easy mod. Let me know if I got any questions. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.